Today I'm going to show you how to export a video from DaVinci Resolve. Doesn't matter if you're switching editing software or you're new in DaVinci, it's so easy. So let's get started. After you edit your video, just navigate to File and then Quick Export. This is the fastest way, but you're limited because you can just choose your preset and export. That's it. There's no other option. So let me show you the second and more efficient way. You need to navigate to the last tab, Deliver, and you have all these settings on the side. Firstly, you need to rename your video and choose location. Choose your preset from the top, and then you need to add to render queue. Then your video will appear here and you just need to press render all. That's it guys for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.